Uterus. Uterus. The uterus or womb is the major female reproductive organ of most mammals, including humans. It is within the uterus that the fetus develops during gestation, usually developing completely in a placental mammal, such as human, and partial in marsupials, such as kangaroo and octopus. Function. The uterus is essential in sexual response by directing blood flow to the pelvis and the external genital area, including the ovaries, vaginal, labia, and clitoris. The reproductive function of the uterus is to attack a fertilized ovum which passes through the uterus-tubal junction from the fallopian tube. It plants into the endometrium and drives nodules from blood vessels, which development exclusive for this purpose. The fertilized ovum becomes a membrane attached to a wall of the uterus, creates a placenta, and develops into a fetus until childbirth. Applications in medicine. The uterus is located inside the pelvis, immediately dorsal to the urinary bladder and ventral to the rectum. The human uterus is a pear-shaped and about 3 inches. A non-pregnant adult uterus weighs about 16 grams, and the uterus can be divided anatomically into 4 segments: the fundus, carpus, cervix, and the internal os. The 2 layers from the innermost to the outermost are follows: endometrium, myometrium, and perimetrium. Support. The uterus is primarily supported by the pelvic diaphragm, perineal body, and the urogenital diaphragm.
Okay, this is the broad ligament, the fundus, body, isthmus, cervix, uterine cavity, internal os, cervical canal, external os, posterior fornix, rugae in the vagina, uterine artery, ovary, ovarian artery and vein. This is the oviduct, infundibulum, fimbriae, ampulla, isthmus, intramural portion.
Major ligaments. Name: uterosacral ligament from posterior cervix to anterior face of sacrum. The cardinal ligament goes from side of the cervix to ischial spine, and pubocervical ligament goes from side of the cervix to pelvic symphysis.
Labia majora, labia minora, vaginal opening, anus, uterine tube, fimbriae, ovary, ovarian ligament, and round ligament.
Pathology: uterus, fibroids, uterine malformations, carcinoma of uterus, adenomyosis, carcinoma of cervix, and pyometra.